Hello guys, welcome to MercBenzKing. Today we are at Motor Classic Hungary and we will show you the world's most iconic moment in history of restoration. It is very special, the wedding marriage of a 300 SL. So basically we have the body right here, the chassis all the way in the back, and it will be connected. And this is so special, not only because it is done here in Hungary at Motor Classic, which is one of the only full in-house restoration locations in the world, also because they use every original detail like horsehair to actually do the wedding. So if you follow me from this beautiful strawberry red 300 SL body, there are not more than 20 of these colors on a 300 SL in the world. And this is all done in-house at Motor Classic, guys, every part of the restoration. We will move over to the full chassis. And you can actually drive it like this. I would not do that because it needs to be fully original, complete with the body. And this is amazing, guys. You can actually see every component underneath the body, just like a human being. And it carries so much history, guys. Every part over here is in original state, including the paint. That's why Motor Classic Hungary used real horsehair, just like original, to do the rendering and get to the final stage of the 300 SL Roadster, like above me. Amazing angle, guys, you can already see it. This will be an amazing video. Getting back to the paintwork, I really appreciate the amount of detail. We have the nitro black, the gloss color used just like the original cars were. You have, for example, the turquoise color and also the mid blue for the brake fluid. And besides that, we have for underneath the seats, the chassis, the Steingrau, so the stone gray color, just like original, guys, for the 300 SL. Amazing. The tires are already fitted before the wedding, and you see the strawberry red color. When the car arrived at Motor Classic Hungary, the client wanted to have the full original status. So everything that is restorable was restored, and some components like rubber for safety is made just like original. Just look at the phosphorized screws. Amazing, guys. The specialist noticed some discrepancies of the original. Not only the color parts were different, some components found in the car how it arrived were not originally from the 300 SL. For example, the cylinder head was used from a W112. And this is basically workable. The car was running, it had a different sound, and that's when the specialist of Motor Classic noticed that it was not the original piece. So now we have the original cylinder heads inside the 300 SL. Let's have another look before wedding, because this is just an amazing color, guys. The strawberry red with the gray leather interior. Just look at the contrast, guys. You see the chroming over here. A great combination, guys. Made in Western Germany. The seats and everything is awaiting to go inside, and these are the gray leather seats. Beautiful quality, guys. Everything is done in-house, all the way in the back in different rooms, because there are experts working here for more than 20 years on classic Mercedes leather. Then we have a beautiful backside. Also the chrome parts, everything is done in-house. Strawberry red exterior color, guys. Amazing. Let me know, what do you think about the color for this 300 SL? This is very unique, guys. The body is just above the chassis. Amazing work, and now Motor Classic Hungary will go in full detail and be very precise with the wedding. You can see the engine over there. Important parts have been taken away, like the steering wheel, the gauges. And now very carefully they will make sure for precise wedding. You can see the leather interior, the beautiful frames. The exhaust has also been taken apart. So guys, this is the final stage after wedding. So hereby I celebrate with you the new, or actually the fully restored 300 SL Roadster. Just look at it, beautiful. The doors are still not inside, so we have some stabilizers over here to keep it in place and stable. But tomorrow the doors will go inside, the steering wheel column will go back in position, and of course the tank. Of course, for the specialist it was a very precise work to match everything up on the millimeters. Beautiful side fenders, by the way, of the 300 SL. So tell me guys in the comment section below, what do you think about the exterior color? We will have a look at some more details. Check out the Mercedes star right there, perfectly in place. Of course with the blue and silver logo on the top, Mercedes-Benz. And the nitro gloss black color. Then we have the steel. I already mentioned this is for stabilization because it is not that stable yet. The doors still need to be fitted in. Beautiful wheel caps for the 300 SL Roadster. The trunk is in the other side. I will show you that later on, but check out the tail lights. We will go over the top again. The floor, as I mentioned, with the stone gray color needs to be installed. It is amazing to witness the wedding of a 300 SL Roadster. So guys, thanks for watching MercBenzKing. I hope you liked the video with the wedding, and I'm very happy that you witnessed it with me here at Motor Classic Hungary. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.